Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad with condensed milk. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, cooked and cooled. Also, have ready 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. For the creamy dressing, we'll use 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. This unique combination creates a delightful flavor. Now, let's create that signature sweet and tangy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine your 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with the 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to balance the sweetness, along with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Whisk everything together until the dressing is perfectly smooth and well combined. With our dressing ready, it's time to assemble the salad. Make sure your cooked and rinsed elbow macaroni is completely cool. In a large bowl, combine the cooled macaroni with your finely chopped celery and red onion. Now, pour that delicious, sweet dressing we just made all over the macaroni mixture. Gently toss everything together until every piece is evenly coated and glistening. For the best flavor, cover your macaroni salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, you can garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of paprika for a pop of color. This unique macaroni salad is sure to be a hit. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.